Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, ready to crush your goals. You open your laptop, and then, ping, a notification pops up. Just one quick scroll. You tell yourself. 2 hours later, you're deep into memes, TikTok videos, and a heated debate about pineapple on pizza. You feel like you've betrayed yourself again. Sounds familiar? I've experimented with every hack out there to beat distractions. Some failed, like the just meditate advice. But here is what actually worked for me. 1. Create a to-do list. Break your tasks into small, manageable chunks. List everything you need to accomplish in a week. There are some great apps out there, but I prefer the old school pen and paper. At the end of each day, check off what you did and see what's pending. Be honest with yourself. Don't add pointless tasks just to feel accomplished. Here's a simple test for you. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, don't put it on your list. Do it immediately. Your to-do list can also act as a dumping ground for distracting thoughts. 2. Create a distraction-free work zone. Designate a space where you work and only work. No phones, no TV, no snacks, just you and the task ahead. Over time, your brain will associate this space with focus. If you struggle to concentrate at home, find a cafe or another location where you can be productive. 3. Time block your tasks. Use a simple Google Calendar to schedule your tasks. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, shares a great strategy. Set an implementation intention. Instead of saying, I will study, say, I will read 5 pages of a science book at 11 a.m. in the library. Then, block out that time in your calendar and follow through. 4. Kill notifications on your phone. A major reason we are hooked on our phones is that we've given them permission to distract us. We've even developed a reflex to check them at every ping. Try this. Turn off notifications for your most distracting apps. You'll be shocked at how much more focused you feel. Pro tip. Switch your phone's display to black and white, for our brains are wired to be drawn to color. I have found this tip very useful to beat my own distractions. 5. Schedule your favorite distractions. I understand you don't have to work all day. Taking a break to scroll, check the news, or watch a video isn't bad. The problem is when it spirals out of control. The solution? Time block your distractions. Set specific times to indulge in them, and when that time is up, get back to work. A pro tip for you: use distractions as a reward. For example, say, once I complete 10 math problems, I'll watch Netflix for an hour. This will help you deal with distractions while at the same time getting to work. Last but not least, build an awareness of distractions. Distractions often sneak up on us, but you can train yourself to recognize them. The next time you feel the urge to check your phone or scroll social media, wait for 10 minutes. More often than not, the urge will pass and you'll stay focused. Here's the bottom line. Distractions aren't just stealing your time, they're stealing your future. But the good news is you have the power to take it back. It's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Every time you choose focus over distraction, you take one step closer to your purpose. So, ask yourself, what's one distraction you can eliminate today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you are ready to take control of your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's do this together.